Life Process, Class 10th, Science MCQ, Chapter 6, Life Process. Very important MCQ here. The first question of MCQ is: which of the following are energy foods? A. Carbohydrates and fat. B. Protein and mineral salts. C. Vitamin and minerals. D. Water and roughage. Answer A. Carbohydrate and fats. Second question: in which mode of nutrition an organism derive its food from the body of another living organism without killing it? A. Saprotrophic nutrition. B. Parasitic nutrition. C. Holozoic nutrition. And D. Autotrophic nutrition. Answer B. The mode of nutrition found in fungi: A. Parasitic nutrition. B. Holozoic nutrition. C. Autotrophic nutrition. D. Saprophytic nutrition. Answer D. Saprophytic nutrition. Root of the plants absorb water from the soil through the process of diffusion, transpiration, osmosis. None of these. Answer C. Osmosis. The site of photosynthesis in the cells of a leaf is chloroplast, mitochondria, cytoplasm, protoplasm. Answer A. Chloroplast. In amoeba, food is digested in the food vacuole, mitochondria, pseudopodia, chloroplast. A. Food vacuoles. Which of the following events in the mouth cavity will be affected if salivary amylase is lacking in the saliva? Starch breaking down into the sugars, protein breaking down into the amino acid, absorption of the vitamins, fat breaking down into the fatty acid and the glycerol. A. Starch breaking down into the sugar. Which region of the alimentary canal absorbs the digested food? Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver. Answer B. Small intestine. The contraction and expansion movement of the walls of the food pipe is called translocation, transpiration, peristaltic movement, digestion. Answer C. Peristaltic movement. When a few drops of iodine solution are added to rice water, the solution turned blue-black in color. This indicates that rice water contains fat, complex protein, starch, simple proteins. Answer C. Starch. The exit of unabsorbed food material is regulated by liver, anus, small intestine, anal sphincter. D. anal sphincter. What are the products obtained by the anaerobic respiration in plants? Lactic acid plus energy, carbon dioxide, water, energy, ethanol, carbon dioxide, energy, pyruvate. Answer C. Ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy. The breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water and energy take place in cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus. Answer B. Mitochondria. Name the pores in a leaf through which respiratory exchange of gases take place. Lenticel, vacuoles, xylem, stomata. Answer D. Stomata. Which plant tissue transports water and minerals from the root to the leaf? Xylem, phloem, parenchyma, collenchyma. Answer A. Xylem. The movement of food in phloem is called transpiration, translocation, respiration, evaporation. Answer B. Translocation. A blood vessel which pumps the blood from the heart to the entire body. Artery, capillary, vein, hemoglobin. Answer A. Artery. Name a circulatory fluid in the human body other than blood. Platelets, RBC, lymph, plasma. Answer C. Lymph. Name the tube which connects the kidney to the urinary bladder. Urethra, nephron, tubule, ureter. Answer D. Ureter. The procedure used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating urea from it is called osmosis, filtration, dialysis, double circulation. Answer C. Dialysis.